Hello friends, today I will show you bhujangasana. In bhujangasana, so many variant poses. Actually, there are so many variations in poses. So I will show you one by one. And also we do actually as per the when the chart is given in competition, or you can practice which we do usually. So how we will do it? First, you come in that pose, and now just down your hip, your leg should be straight, and when you practice your leg should be slight detached from each other. So first you just warm up your body. So just you down your body and up and down, just count 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in such a way that your spine will be flexible, and now you up your body and your hands should be straight, and just you down your body backwards and push your body backward like that. Try this pose. Now we'll do bhujangasana. The kind of variations in bhujangasana poses. Now when we will do bhujangasana, so just you rest your palm besides your chest, down your head. Now you push your palm and up your body like that. So slowly just do it, and like that. This is a kind of variation in bhujangasana poses. Now this is a kind of also now this is one kind of variation in bhujangasana poses. Now I will touch my navel to the floor. Yes, and my leg will be touched to each other. So this is one kind. And another pose is like that. Here also your navel should be touched to the floor, and you just try and tight your body and just push it to the backward. So these are the variations, like that, like that, like that also. But here your both hands should be touched to your body, and your head should be straight. Now after bhujangasana poses, you just do one counter pose, that is forward bending. So just do this pose. Also roll your back so that your back will get relaxed like that. So bye bye friends. You can do this bhujangasana poses. It's very easy. So you can follow me and do it step by step. Bye bye.